Hi people, my name is Jay and I'm from Hobson's Bay Libraries. And today we are doing our winter school holiday activity and we'll be making our superhero masks. So I'm guessing that you have your packs now. Let's open it together and see what we'll be doing. So in the pack, there is another little pack and there's a mask. So we can modify our mask with different things. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to open this pack to add stickers. So there are felt stickers that could be added on to the to the mask. And what you could do is you can add coloured paper or even white paper to the mask, attach it and make it a different shape, or even make a new costume. Well, the stickers, they'll come off. There are heaps of them, so I wonder, what are they going to look? Think that's a good look? Well, I'm going to go try making some. Why don't you start as well, and then we can compare. I'll be right back. Whew. So that's some really good costume. I wonder what would be my superhero name. Well, do share your masks and your costumes that you've made, and I look forward to seeing them. Well, thank you for participating in this activity, and I look forward to seeing you next time.